Professor David Macmillan and Professor Benjamin List, they have developed new organic molecule by which we can synthesize organic molecule with very high enantiomer selectivity without using very sophisticated instrument, and we can do all these reactions under very economical, sustainable way, as well as much more user friendly way. They have introduced a very powerful concept by which we can synthesize organic molecule with very high enantiomer selectivity using much more greener approach. Organic molecule also can be divided into symmetric or asymmetric. So that asymmetric aspect of this molecule play a very crucial role when you consider the binding affinity towards a particular receptor. Utilizing this much more greener approach, we can synthesize molecules and which can be useful for food industry or pharmaceutical industry or agrochemical industry. And especially I think the current challenge what synthetic organic chemistry is facing is how can we increase the efficiency as well as the environmental pollution by reducing waste generation. So utilizing this approach, I think we can avoid those problems, and probably we can have much more sustainable solution of the existing solution. So I think this will have a huge impact for the whole society. Today I am going to showcase proline catalyzed asymmetric aldol reaction using acetone and nitrobenzaldehyde, and especially proline. This you can buy from Aldrich as well as nowadays you can buy from supermarket. So this is the organocatalyst we are going to use, and utilizing this organocatalyst we have started this aldol reaction where as you can see here, after 14 hours according to the TLC, so it is complete. This reaction is proline catalyzed aldol reaction, and it was finished within 14 hours according to our TLC, and as you see complete cloudiness right after just addition of proline. Okay, but on the other hand here as you can see it is still clear solution, and according to the TLC there is still no product formation after 14 hours. In this reaction we have spotted this is the starting material, which is nitrobenzaldehyde, and this is the reaction mixture, and this is the combination of starting material and the reaction mixture. And as you see after 14 hours we see a clean spot. There is no starting material here, okay, in case of proline catalyzed reaction. So that shows the reaction is complete and proline is playing a very important role to catalyze this reaction. And on the other hand, the other cases, as you can see, it is completely clear solution, and according to the TLC there is no product formation. Our group, we are working mostly three different areas. One is in one area we are developing catalytic cascade reaction by which you can synthesize molecules with very high enantiomer selectivity in number of few steps. Okay, and utilizing this approach we can really synthesize also biologically important molecule in very high efficiency. So this is one area, and second area also you are working on developing new approach by which we can transform simple waste material into a value added product.